So, are you sure you want pizza, huh?
Yeah, sure.
That's what you're craving?
Yeah. Well, guys.
Good morning, guys. So, Dennis' craving for today is pizza, which I'm glad that you have finally
Appetite.
at least appetite to eat. Last time I tasted the Hawaiian pizza from that place the only place that we can get in town that have like a decent pizza. I'm not a fan of Hawaiian pizza, but that was like the best they have.
Really?
Yeah, the bird is there dancing in the car.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm gonna go to town for, get that pizza, and
Okay.
well, you need to eat a little something though before the pizza.
I'm fine.
Maybe banana.
I don't want a banana right now.
You don't want banana? I actually wanna have this banana, honey, is from my dad.
Yeah, I know.
He's growing this.
Yeah, I know.
Very good banana.
I'm sure they are. I know they are.
Can you wait for a pizza? It takes like 20 minutes, so I'll be back in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay?
I can wait. Yeah.
All right.
That'd be great.
It's a gloomy day today.
I feel like I have 30 minutes of life left in me now. It was a tough one, man. The flu that I had this time, boy, it was a tough one.
Yesterday, you started feeling weak again, but I think it's because of lack of food. You know, you don't want to eat anything.
Yeah, since I ate last night, then I started feeling better.
Yeah.
But I feel better.
Today.
Yeah, not just because I ate, but I feel better.
That's good, honey. I'm very glad.
Yeah, this is a tough one. That's the worst I've had it in a lot of years.
Yeah,
man.
many years, because you're not even always sick.
No, I hardly ever get sick. But
when you get sick, like it's very bad. That's the way I am also.
already.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
There's the bird in there. Okay, thank you, honey. Today it's not that hot actually,
No, it's not.
because the sun did not come out. It's a little gloomy today, guys. Here's the bird. Always dancing around and the windshield again. I need to start covering them again. At least this time Dennis is well enough to even open the gate. Are you fine, honey?
Yeah.
I didn't even tie my hair. I forgot. So I'm at this place, guys. This is where we can get a decent pizza. So I got the Hawaiian pizza, and I even ordered carbonara. I wanna try see if their carbonara here is good. It's time to eat our pizza.
Pizza, guys.
Yeah, and this is actually the carbonara. Maybe I'll open it first. Oh, I forgot to get the fork. The carbonara they have, I wanna try it.
Yeah. I didn't know they had carbonara.
Oh, yeah, they have carbonara now.
Really?
Yeah, they put some tape in it. It's hard to get. Wow, it doesn't look bad.
Let's see.
See?
Yeah, don't look bad.
And you know, this carbonara is only 95 pesos.
Really?
Compared to Shakey's, they're like 200 something.
Yeah.
You know?
It's not very much, but...
Well, it's not very much, but for 95 pesos, you know? And here's our Hawaiian pizza. I know, guys, that... what are you guys doing? Look at this. It smells very good.
Yeah, I don't usually eat Hawaiian pizza, but...
You wanna try it this time?
Well, yeah.
And they even have some bread. It's just a,
Toast.
Yeah. Let's eat, guys.
We'll see, guys. Good.
Not bad, try it. How is it? Not bad.
Actually, pretty good.
Yeah, for 95 pesos. And You know,
Wow.
guys, this pizza is $5. $5 for the pizza, yeah. And just to let you guys know, this Pepsi that Dennis is drinking is a zero. And some of you guys are concerned because, oh, you're drinking all that Pepsi, it's a zero sugar. And but I don't drink it because I found out that if I have so much, if I have like caffeine in my, if I take any caffeine, like it gives me so much anxiety.
Really?
So that's why I just try to avoid them for as much as I can, even though sometimes I really have to drink some Coke or Diet Coke or whatever. But I can't, you know, I'm not good with caffeine.
They'll get caffeine drink then.
Yeah, I
Caffeine
have.
free.
What is caffeine free? Maybe Sprite, huh?
I don't know. They make caffeine free, and Coke makes caffeine free. I don't know if they have it here.
How is it? The pizza.
No good. Pretty good actually for a $5 pizza.
Yeah. Get some more of the carbonara, honey. That's all it's left. What can you say, honey?
Actually, it's very good for a Philippine pizza
Yeah.
for $5.
Yeah. Very cheap.
Pretty good.
Very good. The leftover goes for my dinner.
Yeah.
Our life in the Philippines. Nothing more, nothing less.
Well, we'll be glad when it starts cooling off a little more.
You know,
These are hot months, man.
it is.
You know, it's been up to 92, 94 during the day.
We were sleeping. Then all of a sudden we heard some noise. Like there's an explosion on the outside of the house. So I'm gonna check it out what it is. It's just a big like noise. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. The ceiling came off. I don't know what happened. Look at this piece of plywood here. Oh my god. Wow. It's the plywood. I need to have that guy who work on it come here, the installer guy. I think it just needs some nails. I was wondering what it was, but it's that thing. Oh my goodness. Another thing to fix in the house. Never ends. I couldn't take it, guys. Not talking in a video. I was just doing a video, honey, for the last few, I don't know, like I was working in the yard and I didn't even say a thing.
Why?
I don't know. I decided to just be quiet. I wanna see if how
long you could last.
Yeah, but anyway, that's what I just felt like. I just showing that is what I'm doing for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
And tomorrow we will see what's going to happen.
Yeah, maybe we'll take a trip up in the mountains tomorrow where it's cool.
I don't know, honey. We'll see how you feel tomorrow.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's it for our video today. We're just kind of like looking what we can find or what we can cook for dinner. I hope you enjoy watching our daily life in the Philippines. But I'm telling you guys, like what we put on the video is
another day in the life.
Yeah, and that is what the real happening of our life. Thank you so much, everyone who sent us nice comments. I hope you...
A lot of nice comments, and thanks to all the well-wishers for the good wishes to get healthy and all the prayers. I appreciate it very, very much.
Thank you, guys, and I hope you are all safe and healthy and happy, so everyone is happy.
And let's all be happy.
Yeah. We will see you guys again tomorrow, and good night.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.